How to allow only admins to send messages in a WhatsApp group. In today's video, we'll be going over how to set your WhatsApp group so only admins can send messages. This is a useful feature if you want to keep your group focused, organized, or just want to control who can post in the group. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Then go to the group chat where you want to make this change. Next, tap on the group name at the top of the chat. This will take you to the group info page. From there, simply go to group permissions. Here you can find various options. At the top here you can see members can. Here you can simply choose whether members can send message, add other members, edit group settings. Simply toggle the option on send message to off. Now only the admin will be able to send messages in the group and the rest of the members can only read and react to messages. And that's it folks. Now you know how to restrict messages to admins only in your WhatsApp group.